Good. Hello and welcome to Bookends Allotments. Yes, as you can see, we're not at the allotment. Just over a week ago I had my hip replacement, so therefore we won't be getting up the allotment as much as I'd like to, or even the wife would like to as well. But we were up there on the day before my operation, on the Wednesday. We dug up some lovely parsnips, which the missus enjoys her parsnips, and we had about 6 or 7 leeks. They went down today, lovely, with a Sunday lunch on a Monday. We got totally mixed up. We forgot to take the chicken out of the freezer, so therefore that's how it goes. But we do apologise for not doing as much updates as we wanted to, but the pain got too much and slowed us down an awful lot, plus the weather. So hopefully next year we will be doing a lot more updates and enjoying our allotment even more, because I'll be out of pain and the wife can order me around a lot more to do heavier jobs. So she's got a list, and I will just say thank you to all our subscribers. The wife will be saying thank you as well, but it's great to hear from you in comments and likes, and new subscribers, welcome to our channel. So therefore I'll be handing over to the wife in a minute, because she is so pleased with this. She won a little competition she entered, so I will let her tell you what it's all about. So it's...
Hello. Well, as Mark's just said, we entered a little competition that was on YouTube, and it was with Huws Nurseries. It was, I think, the beginning of November time when this competition was running, or maybe a bit later. But anyway, and it was, you had to say which were your 3 must-have or go-to books that you always go to all the time with what you're doing on the allotment. And I put down my go-to books that I always use, and they're absolutely brilliant. And Hugh had done a collaboration with Liz, and he had done, what he was doing was, whatever was your he got 3 books, well there was 4 books in total, but 3 books you could choose from, and he was going to select a winner, and the winner would be able to pick which book they wanted. And anyway, what happened was we were selected as a winner, which I was absolutely over the moon about. And I had a message from Hugh to say that we've been selected. Which book would we want? Well, Jeff Hamilton was one of my heroes, always was, from years back. I used to watch him all the time on Gardener's World. And I couldn't decide between that and the Charles Dowden book. So anyway, I was telling him, said this to Hugh, and I decided in the end that I would go for Jeff Hamilton. He was a hero of mine. So that's what I did. I said I'll have the Jeff Hamilton book. And then Mike had gone into hospital, had his hip replacement. Things were a bit tense. He's not been too good, considering it's only been just over a week ago since he's had his hip replacement. He's done marvellously, but he hasn't been too good at all. And on the day I had an email back from Hugh, it was just brilliant news. He said to me, I've decided to send you your book that you requested, but I'm also going to send you the Charles Dowden. And it did make me cry, I have to say. I burst into tears because I was so overjoyed with it. So this is the book that I selected, which is Jeff Hamilton Organic Garden Book, the complete guide. So, and I've been having a read through it. It's absolutely brilliant. I love it. And then the other one is How to Grow Winter Vegetables, Charles Dowden. So I have to say a real big thank you to Hugh from Huws Nurseries. I will put the link below for you to pop over and have a look at his website, his YouTube channel, sorry. Absolutely brilliant. Really, really good. I love watching his YouTube channels, they're excellent. So, like I say, thank you very much. Like I say, from us, we would like to wish
everyone,
all our subscribers, a very Merry Christmas and a Happy
New Year.
Gardening New Year.
Great season next year, yes. So
yeah, and we look forward to meeting even more new subscribers next year.
And maybe getting to the Malvern show next year, because she wants to go there. Drag me along, but this time I won't be in pain, as I've said.
Yeah.
So it'll be nice, and hopefully meet some more of you YouTubers.
Yeah, really
okay.
Want to do that.
So thank you very much, and we will see you next year.
Bye bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.